Hi friends, it's Conductor Jack. I am so excited because today we are reading about one of my favorite trains ever, Thomas. Do you like Thomas? Oh, good. Well, this is an exciting book. It's called Thomas and Friends, Easter Engines. So let's read this book together and have a great adventure with our good buddy Thomas. It is Easter morning. James, Percy, and Thomas are being washed for the Easter parade. "We are bright and shiny, like Easter eggs," says James. Thomas is happy. He will lead the parade. Suddenly, Sir Topham Hatt arrives. He has an important job for Thomas. Thomas must go to McCool's farm. He must get an Easter egg. Thomas will do the job. Then he will race back to the Easter parade. Thomas zooms down the track. He sees McCool's farm. Thomas stops at the farm. He is surprised. The egg is very shiny. It is also very big. "It is the biggest egg in the world," says Thomas. Terence tells Thomas to be careful. He tells Thomas not to break the egg. Chug, chug. Thomas rolls slowly up the track. He is very careful. He does not want to break the egg. The egg shakes and wobbles. It does not fall. Quack, quack. Thomas stops. He lets the ducks cross the track. Thomas reaches the parade. It is almost over. Thomas is not the first engine in the parade. He is the last engine. But the children cheer for Thomas. The children cheer for the giant egg. The parade is over. "How did the egg get so big?" asks Thomas. Sir Topham Hatt chuckles. "The egg is not real. It is made of paper." Rip, rip. Sir Topham Hatt opens the eggs. It is full of Easter baskets. One child gives Thomas a basket. Thomas is very happy. The children love their baskets. They thank Thomas. "We are like big, shiny eggs," James says to Thomas. "But you are like a big Easter bunny," says Percy. "Happy Easter," says Thomas. What a fun little story that was. Did you like that? I loved that little book. Easter Engines, Thomas and Friends. Well, thank you so much for reading with me today. I will see you again real soon. Be sure to click the subscribe button so you can read with me and sing with me right here on this channel. Have a great rest of the day. Subscribe now. It's free.